Okay guys, so this is Dukes and I am actually driving an Isuzu Crosswind XT. Okay, so I'm gonna start the engine. I actually bought a gadget from the engine Ecology. They call it the Clean Turbo. So let's start it. Alright, so here's the idle. So I'm gonna rev it. You can actually hear me revving it, and then let's see the smoke. See, the smoke is almost gone at 3,000 plus RPM. That is crazy. And what I noticed when driving it is it's actually smooth. It's better. It's just like it's easier to drive it now than before. Alright. Thanks Clean Turbo and Engine Ecology.